Doing a Ransome 25P, 2,500 pound welding positioner today. So we'll walk around, show you the unit. Top's clean, man. Top's real clean. It's 440 volt, but they are dual voltage motors, and yeah, it's rotation and tilt. It's your speed change for your rotation speed. Here's your foot pedal controls, up, down, clockwise, counterclockwise. Let's make it do its thing, sir. Do you have it, do you think it's as fast as it is right now?
It's pretty far over right now.
Alright, so if anything, you're basically slowing it down from this point. Gears look good.
Set up on it so you gotta watch polarity. Another inch or so might go. When I switch that.
Comes around that tab.
Right there.
Tab. Oh, you're talking about down here or right here?
Yeah, that tab right there.
Yeah, it looks like a tab hits it. Yeah,
Yep,
down
so
there.
it's back right now.
Okay. All right, gears are good. Doesn't look like you got too beat up on the tabletop. Let me know if there's any questions. Thank you.